phone? Is it old style or is it the i4 or whatever?
Yeah.
Is it the 4?
Yeah. I just wonder what the video looks pretty good. I was just thinking I could send it to Jamie, or I could actually live video his girlfriend. It takes HD video,
Just,
so
send it to Jamie.
he videos me shit all the time from her phone. If he's at a concert, he'll knock me, is what it is, and if I accept it, it pops up whatever's on her phone, whatever she's pointed at, I can watch it live. It's pretty cool.
That is, yeah.
Pretty high tech.
Go ahead and knock him.